because she's told me so many different names, but, well, she has been copying my sister. It's JCMSP. And she has been, like, copying her, copying me. It has gone to the point where she is copying not only on Movie Star Planet, she's copying on YouTube. And they have the same channel art because Daisy, she went and she made her own channel art because she was starting out her YouTube, and she went and copied her, Violet did. And, now I'm getting messages from other people, like, wanting to know what it is, and I'm not being rude about it, I'm just saying that it's really none of their concern. And I've said, before we got in arguments before, and I said, are you kidding me? And she said, what? And I told her that me and my sister found her YouTube, and that she has the same stuff, and she even has the same bio. It says the exact same thing. And then, can you stop with all this nonsense? I don't feel it's nonsense. She's the one going out of her way just to copy us. And, yes, I know, you and her are getting annoyed. That's what she said. I said, then why are you copying her channel art? I was getting an idea of it. And I was just testing. I'm making a new one right now. I don't really know what to reply. But I'm not really going to reply to her because, or, it's just, no, just say it's none of your business. It's just none of your concern. What? Okay, now, I know this is her recording, but I have to say this because she said somebody said that if they copy her about me no more, then they're going to hack her. Now, that's such a lie because we never said anything about copying before now. So, that's a lie. And then she said it's allowed, it was just deleted. I'm not kidding. I know that you're there. Just please let me hear your side of the story. I don't know why this won't go through. There it is. But we're not trying to hide this. Everything. She copies everything. Our looks, our YouTube channel, everything. It's just. See, look, you see that? That outfit right there? That was mine. Yeah, she stole it from her. I don't know why I'm following me. I mean, boy, Noob's added me and I still did it. That's all for that one. Well, he should not pop up anymore. No. Should you? She has said things as, like, things from her personal life. I'm not going to mention it because just for her, I'm not that. And, I'm not going to do that. But she's, like, been saying, like, things from her personal life. Obviously, this is just a game. But I don't like how people are being exactly like me. She's the only person that's been doing that, but, yeah. Anyway, this is her fan of us, and if you want to be, like... Actually, I believe it is you. Is your video up or not? No. You are making my best friend upset, which is making me upset. I would like to hear your side of the story before I jump to conclusions. It said message from not yours. No. It is none of your concern. Is your rant video up or not? Sorry, tell your sister to look at that. What did Violet do to anger you? Bro, oh my gosh. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm about to block both of them. I'm about to block both of them. Like, just both of them. And never talk to them again because they're getting on my nerves. Her rant video is not up. She just recorded it. She just recorded it. But you are supposedly getting me messages. Okay, but that has nothing to do with us. I'm so sorry this computer is so laggy and stuff, but it's just how the computer is. I don't even know what happened. It, like, froze completely. I'm just gonna refresh real quick. It's probably gonna see that Movie Star Planet isn't responding. Until the web page. She is now uploading the rant, quote-unquote, rant video. We're not trying to be mean, like, but when we get to a certain point where it's just, like, not even funny anymore, and it's not even... Whoa, what the heck is happening? It's just not funny. Surely this... Oh, crap. Okay. That's what I was wondering, but, you know. This is Paige, I already see that, I don't need you in my life, man. Come on, get away, get away. Get away. Just stay there, buddy, it's Gucci, fam.